What's going on, YouTube? It's Vaughn, the greatest here, and today is a really special day. Very special. Really, really special. Like, really, 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 really special. Like, you don't understand. Alright, so it's the drop of Birds in the Trap Sing Mcknight. Oh my gosh! Waiting for this album for the freaking longest. And finally gonna hear it. Let's go, Tracvis Scott. Song number 1, The Ends.
2 a.m.
That's that Tracvis. That's that Tracvis.
We ain't sending shots, we launching missiles.
Alright, the end song wasn't that bad. It wasn't catchy or anything, but let's go on to song number 2, Way Back.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I'm not really sure how I feel about this cover art. It seems kind of corny to me, but I love that voice. Hey!
I can't get no rest. We in the house. I fall asleep with a tech.
Hey. Kanye stuff right here. Solid song. I really liked it. Catchy. Give it a couple more listens. I am on that. Alright, next song, Coordinate.
Fuck up, nigga. Know what I'm talking about? Nigga, one thing for sure, two things for certain, nigga. We gonna keep drinking this motherfucking lean, nigga, and run these motherfucking rockstar jeans, nigga. They wasn't these niggas ain't staying.
Rockstar skinnies. Coordinate the town with the beans and my rockstar skinnies. Me and John going crazy. Me and Chase going crazy. Smashing off your old lady. Everything going crazy. When I run the fight jail, you right in. Every time we drop out, we drop chills. Trying to tell you.
Pretty good song. I love it. But next we got Through the Late Night. Is this Kid Cudi?
Then we sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. 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 Day and night.
Wait. Is he put...
Turn, I keep stressing my mind.
Hey!
I see the peace, sometimes I can't restrain.
Alright, Through the Late Night. Matter of fact, hold up. I'm putting this on my playlist right now. Right now. We are at number 6. I can't even pronounce this, but in the trap.
The leader, throw some Jolly Rancher in, make it sweeter. Versace my clothes, a with a white hoe, and she snorting 3 lines like Adidas. Got a black girl rolling off Molly, got a white bitch snoring up.
Trouble. White bitch.
Solid song. Next, SDP interlude. I'm loving this album as well. Hey.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one.
Interlude, dope. Next song, Sweet Sweet number 7.
Why is it? Run it up. All this cake. Bag it up. Then come right away. Cause you sweet. Hanging out with you is a no-go. Cause you sweet. Yeah. Sabase. Why is it? Run it up. all this cake, bag it up, then come right away. When I ask who bigger, hope you had a mattress where you sleeping on me. Hope you got some backup if you creeping on.
Oh shit!
All my niggas outside, pillow talking sneak, this and get a skirt. Get it front or back, pull up a skirt. I just caught that Bentley truck, a skirt. Bitch, I'm
I actually like it. I'm not a 21 fan, but he did rock that track, so pretty good. Next song, Goosebumps. Number 9 out of 14.
Yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around.
I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my
Shit!
I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that ride, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. Put the pussy on the pedestal, put the pussy on the high hopes, that pussy to die for.
Goosebumps. Number 9. It was pretty good. I like the melody. I love the mix. And then Kendrick came in, and you know his voice came in really hard. It was kind of weird, but it was pretty good though. Next song is number 10, first take of this album.
Despite you not flaws, just let our love play its course. Play love like a sport. Yeah, first take, you ain't on time, you were late. When you around me, you're this life without yours.
I'm not feeling this autotune. Like, I don't know how I feel about the whole song. Like, the autotune was like weird. I can't mess with that autotune. It's just not. I can't do that. It will at least need to grow with me. And then Bryson Tiller or someone, they did actually a pretty good job. So yeah, I don't know about that song. But the next song is Pick Up the Phone, and we all know that song.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I want four. I call you horse. Just a fucking show. I just wake out my door. Pull it off and I'm gone. Then I go before. Then I roll up that road. Then I'm calling your hoe. I like the way it be free. Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby.
Let me put it back in my playlist, you know. Alright, next song, Lose.
Gang, more at stake. I got shit to do. Had to move. Like I'm steady with the crew. Steady with the crew.
Solid song, Lose. Probably gonna go on my playlist. Alright, next song, Guidance.
That you laugh at me. I found out that you had someone.
Number.
Every time I get this strong, I hope I wake up in another place. I roll up behind it.
Alright, Guidance, solid song. It's like one of those Drake songs. Next, and we all know the song came out like a year ago. Wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah.
We just landed in your city, go time. Driving to the venue like you see.
Well, that is the end of this album. Birds in the Trap Sing Mcknight. How do I feel about it? I think that this is a great sophomore album compared to what other people put out and how sort of trash it is to their debut album. Birds in the Trap was pretty good right off the bat, and I know I'm just gonna like this album even more. So is it better than Rodeo? Probably not. Rodeo was really good, but Birds is up there. Like I think the more I listen to it, because I didn't really like Rodeo at first. So the more I listen to it, this album is going to be the flames, like he said. So if I had to grade this, I would give it a solid off the bat, off first listening to it, solid 7, and that's pretty good compared to what I hear elsewhere. But thanks for watching Bond the Greatest, and come back here for another review of some music.